Cubers, welcome to a new video from KewbzUK, and today we're going to take a little look at the new SengSo clock. This is the V2 model, just released. Didn't even hear anything, not much anyway, about this until it was in stock at SengSo and ready to ship. So really weird that there was no hype, or not a lot anyway, around this puzzle. Yeah, so all we're going to do is dive on into it, see what it's all about, and see if it is any good. First thing I notice is the packaging is probably not very good. So I don't know if you can see, but that's like printed really blurry, unless it's just my eyes. But that clock on the black side, when you get this, have a little look. Is it blurry? Because that one's blurry to me, like especially around these sorts of dials. I don't know why they've gone with this dial design. I hate this. I don't know why. Like it's too top heavy. I get it. You should be looking at the top, but it doesn't stand out. There's something about it that just, I don't know. It irks me. It irks me. I don't like it. Okay. So, first of all, we've got the little pamphlet, Chinese and English, I'm assuming. Yep, there we go. So we know how to do it. What pin order has it got? Do you know what? Don't even care. We'll look at that later. You guys just want to see the clock. This thing, this marvel of engineering. So, do you see what I mean? Like, I did take, I took another one out of the box just to grab a photo of it when it first came in, and I obviously did that Instagram story. I just wanted to showcase that we'd got it first, or we'd got it in rather than got it first, we got it in stock. So yeah, this is the SengSo V2 magnetic clock. Pins are actually really nice. I would liken them to a QiYi sort of pin. They're fairly magnetic, fairly free moving, nothing like the V1. Honestly, the pins on that barely moved. These really, really nice, like minimal force. There we go. But I'm barely touching that, it's going down. Dials, really nice. Yeah, they're really nice to turn. What about 2, 3? Yep, and all 4. Gets a little bit heavy, but you know, nothing unlike the QiYi, you know, nothing to report home about, I guess. Still miles better than the Lingao and miles better than the SengSo V1. I'm just trying to think, I really hate these dials. Like, it doesn't stand out to me. I don't know why. I don't know if the contrasting colours, something about it, but it just does not stand out. I can't, I don't know. You can obviously see 12 is up here. You can just about make out a 12 on the top white part, but I mean, it's very faint. You probably won't see that on the camera. Maybe you can on the black side. Just about, maybe. So yeah, overall I like it. Like, the quality is really, really good. But I don't like the dials. Why have they done that? I think I'm probably gonna bring out a mod or something and just replace the dials. If anyone doesn't like this design, we can just even turn it into a QiYi. So you've got like SengSo hardware, but QiYi design, if that makes sense. I don't even, whoa, that sentence has never been said before, I can assure you. You don't wanna take SengSo hardware, SengSo whatever hardware, and replace it with a QiYi design. That's never been said, that's never been done. Absolutely crazy. I do think people are going to be using this clock though. Like, it's really good. For being, obviously, budget, £15, £16, when the QiYi clock is what, £22, £23, maybe 21, I can't quite remember now. So yeah, I do think a lot of people are going to be getting this. I think they're going to be using it, and I do think they're going to be liking it. Wish I had a screwdriver, because I would be taking this apart right now and showing you the inside. What I would say is we only have very limited stock at the moment on the website. I do want to make this a quick video, I apologise, because I'm just recording it. I want to get it edited, get it online. This is the new camera setup, so really I was just testing it to see what the new camera setup was like. And I like it. I like the new camera setup, I like the clock, but if I just give it a little bit of a scramble, yeah, I don't know about you, but there's a lot going on the faces. I don't know why. I feel like these little marks should be a little bit smaller, or maybe thinner, maybe not smaller, but just a little bit thinner. And then I don't know why this needs like a bloody Windsor knot tie shape design thing, like a grandfather clock. Like, just have simple marker, simple line. Yeah, so what I'll probably do is the dials or the actual markings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'd want to make a little bit smaller, a little bit thinner rather, just so they're not as prominent. Yeah, they haven't got to be this thick. And then yeah, the dial just doesn't have to be that thick either. We don't need this massive triangle pointing at where it is. Just make it thin, make it subtle, minimalist. We like minimalist. Well, I do. So yeah, overall, I like it. I like it. I won't do a solve. I can solve it in, I think don't know, I think about 15 seconds. Yeah, I'm not going to do a solve only because I want to wrap up the video, but I'm going to use this for the next sort of couple of days and then I'll report back. I'll do another video on how I found it. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed the video, guys, and we will see you in the next one and in a few days with my findings.